Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine, Prachaya. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. So I just want to take a feedback from your side. So congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can you introduce about yourself, your which college and your
Hi, my name is Prachaya Hegde, and I'm from JNNCE Shimoga. I completed my BTech in Civil Engineering in JNNCE Shimoga. Later, my senior recommended me this CMTI Institute because she had completed her course here and she got placed in a very good company. So I contacted CMTI and I thought it was very good opportunity for me for pursuing my future. So I took hybrid mode in interior design and management course, and the hybrid mode teaching was very effective. I learned many things, including SketchUp, AutoCAD, and softwares like that. And also, I gained knowledge on the materials and the hardwares used in interior industry. So it was very helpful, and all the staffs and the lecturers were very good and supporting. So I would like to thank everyone for this wonderful opportunity.
okay. So what about your placements thing? And so how did that go?
Yeah, placement. This was my first interview, and I got placed there. So it was a good. The process was very smooth because Shweta ma'am and Ashok sir helped me to crack the interview. They guided me on everything. So everything went smooth and well.
So what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I would highly recommend this institute for them to pursue their courses and start their career. I think they should not miss this opportunity.
Okay. Then what about your app? How did that help you?
Yeah, the actually app was very helpful because we got access to the all the class videos and notes and all. So we could refer the notes and we could study at home other than attending the classes. If we had any doubts, we could refer them, and it was very useful.
So thank you so much for your feedback and congratulations for your placements.